Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mandazi. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need about 3 to 7 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 to 1 cup of sugar, and 2 to 4 teaspoons of baking powder, plus a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of warm milk or water, 1 to 2 large eggs, and a few tablespoons of vegetable oil or melted butter. Ensure you have a large mixing bowl, a rolling pin, and a deep pot for frying. Next, let's mix and knead our mandazi dough. First, in a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the warm milk or water, egg, and oil. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it onto a floured surface and knead for about 5 to 8 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. After kneading, the dough needs to rest. Place your smooth dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it sit in a warm spot for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour, allowing it to soften. Once rested, transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface. Roll it out evenly to a thickness of about 1/3 to 1/2 inch. Finally, use a knife or cutter to create your mandazi shapes, often triangles or squares. The final step is frying and serving your delicious mandazi. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of cooking oil in a deep pot to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few mandazi pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and serve warm with your favorite beverage or as a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.